friends, welcome back to Kala Poshana for another easy DIY home project. In today's project, I am going to make a beautiful photo frame that you can use as home decor or return gifts. Before getting started, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. Now without any delay, let's get started. I am using a 8 by 8 inch unfinished wood frame, brushes, pencil and dotting tool, acrylic paints. Here I am using pastel colors pink and light green, all-purpose glue, round shape mirrors and some beads. Here I have a tiny bit of pink and a lot of white. I'm gonna mix these two colors to get a very light pink pastel color that I'll be using as the base coat. Here I'm testing a bit of paint on the wood base and see if this is the color I want. I think I want to add some more pink in this so that I get the perfect color. This color looks perfect, so I'm gonna paint across this wood base. Now, using a pencil, I'm gonna create a beautiful lotus design on top of this wood base. If you are a beginner and don't know how to draw a lotus design, here I created a digital design that I used to create a puja pitam recently. You can download this digital design and just use a tracing paper to trace the lotus on top of this wood base. Created a simple outline of the lotus design on top of this wood base. Follow along to finish the painting on top of this wood base. I'll see you guys at the end of the video with the final reveal of the project. Finishing the project by adding some bling. Here I have some pearl beads. I'm adding these to the wood frame. Here is the final reveal of my beautiful photo frame that you can use as home decor or return gifts. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and got some ideas for your next DIY. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in next video. Thank you very much for watching.